Hi, I'm Igor, and I'm still a web developer. And this is a quick story about me finding the Holy Grail. So everything starts 7 years ago in completely the same manner. I given a lightning talk in years of Django and Flask about routers, a routing solution built on top of WebOp. And I started thinking that what if I've been a framework author and create the new one, a framework that every web developer being used, but that's not the case. I created something, but it's not became usable. Then in a few years, JSON schema enters a stage, and GSL happens. GSL is DSL for JSON schema in Python. And SPA loves JSON schema, so I created the rororo.schemas. This is the principles to build better web applications in Python, and is designed to work with any web framework you use. And I was happy about it, but suddenly the world ended. GraphQL happened. REST API is dead. We all just lived on the back of the road. So yeah, I just abandoned the rororo.schemas and start using GraphQL for all the things. But you know, the REST API is not dead. I only recently found the OpenAPI 3 as a great way to provide schemas for any data. And as I love IOHTTP web, still I love IOHTTP web, I recreate the ROR from the scratch, and I understand that all this time the solution was nearby me. First row means OpenAPI schema. I borrow the idea from Pyramid OpenAPI 3, so this is completely not my idea, but the guys from Pylons and Pyramid, I really thank them. So first row means OpenAPI schema. You make the valid OpenAPI schema, put it to your repository. Step number 3 is step number 2. It's second row. It's operation mapping. So you need to map the operations in the schema with your IOHTTP view handler. It's done via operations, register decorator. And final step number 3 is setting up the OpenAPI to use with IOHTTP with setup OpenAPI call. That's it. I found my Holy Grail, and you're welcome to join me.